Nico, ha llegado el momento.
Hands up, hands up. All right, today we're getting Mr. Nico's haircut because it's kind of long, it's getting in his eyes, and it bothers him when he eats, so let's see if we can give him a little trim. Hopefully not a bowl cut, but let's see what happens. What's good, kimchi lovers? It's crazy to see how summer is now a distant memory since we recorded some of this. We've kept busy trying new food places and finding opportunities to take it all in. If you're new to the channel, we're Maria and Nabol, Chicago locals with an appetite for classic affordable food and diverse restaurants, and hoping our pickiest eater will soon start to appreciate some of those flavors. We introduced him to a lot of that this summer, but he was frankly more interested in everything else. Today's video is just meant to be a fun recap of what we've been up to. And, oh yeah, we moved. You'll see in a minute.
You want to try the truck? Yeah? Is this some fun? Aww.
So what are you guys thinking for his length?
Just
Yeah.
like eyebrow length?
Yeah.
Bring it
Whatever you think. Yeah, just so it doesn't bother him when he eats. And
Yeah, it gets in his eyes and it just bothers him.
I'm gonna put this right here.
Go.
That okay?
I thought he was gonna be a mess trying to.
Does he play with your phones?
a little bit, yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. He gets curious after a while and then he wants to put it in his mouth.
Yeah. Like, Papa, can I take this car home?
Nico, yeah, look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Wow, look at here.
Look at the camera.
I'm a big boy, guys.
camera.
No. Thank you, Miss Lisa. You did a great job. Look in the back.
Look at it. Thank you, Miss Lisa, for doing a great job on Nico's hair, right? You liked it?
Yeah, good.
Look
I
at
like
you.
the car.
You look great.
Can we take the car home?
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. Happy birthday to you. It's a birthday. Happy birthday.
Esto no se va a querer poner esto.
Se lo va a quitar. ¿Qué pasó, Lola? Que reine la paz en tu día y que cumpla mucho más. Ready? Make a wish, make a wish. Ready? 1, 2. Yay! To you. Happy birthday, dear Nico. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Nico's first trip around the sun turned into Nico Week, with lots of cupcakes, little gifts, and best wishes from family, neighbors, and his favorite teachers. The icing on the cake was a delicious pizza lunch at the park with Nico's godfather and godmother. You have to wait till the wind goes away.
Happy birthday, Nico. Show us the shirt. Show us the shirt.
That's not coming.
Mira, the high five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Y que cumplas muchos más. Eso es puro frosting, bebé. Ah, mira, mira, vaya, puro frosting.
Nico, you helping or what?
I'm helping, guys. Yeah.
What?
This is my box. Just so you know.
Nico, you done packing? See? Putting everything in your little box?
Poor Nico was utterly confused when it was time to pack up and move. And it feels surreal that just a year ago we were saying goodbye to our life in the city to finally move to our own place in Evanston. After months of looking, we had to settle on a place that we thought would be perfect to grow in as a family. With lots of love and the best intentions, we moved into a place that needed love and care to be turned into a home. We became experts on flooring, HOA negotiations, and the place turned out really, really great. But it wasn't going to be what we envisioned with the limitations we were given, so we sold. If there's something we're passionate about, it's to never settle for less than what makes you happy.
Daddy, the couch is gone, bro.
Do you have last words?
None. I'm glad that we were able to sell, and I'm excited for our next journey, wherever that may be, right? After lots and lots of thinking, our hearts and our budget drove us back to the city, changing Evanston for Rogers Park. And we're glad we did. This is a rebuilding year and a redefining year. And we picked a great neighborhood for that. Rogers Park is a neighborhood of hardworking city people, one of the most diverse neighborhoods in Chicago, with over 60 languages spoken, and nested in a welcoming lakefront, which really suits us.
Chapulín turns into Chapulín.
Dig.
Hey! Nico's not having it, guys.
Yeah, he took it off.
Chapulín Colorado. No contaban con mi astucia.
Really cool.
What did I get, guys?
What do you say? Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, lady. Chapulín, it's candy too. What's it? He did it.
Archie's.
We did take him to the park walk, but I think walking around Rogers Park, he's been more curious about what's around because he looks around more.
It's more lively, too.
Yeah, it could be because he was a baby when he was in Evanston. Let's give you a bite by now.
Is that good?
I think, I don't know, he's holding it. He put it back in his mouth, so that's a good sign. So that's what we've been up to lately. We're just exploring Rogers Park because now we're in Rogers Park. It's been about 2 months since we've been here, and it's been pretty cool. We're just taking time to explore and let Nico know his new neighborhood. But we'll see what the future holds. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.